second graders, it's Mrs. Vanden-Bulcke here to read you a story called Eagle, Eagle, What Do You Need? Eagle, Eagle, What Do You Need is a nonfiction book, so you'll find a table of contents here. We're going to learn about 3 different environments, starting with the river environment, then the desert, and then the ocean. In the river environment, we'll learn about eagles, salmon, and eelgrass. In the desert environment, we'll learn about coyotes, my personal favorite, the ground squirrel, and cactus. In the ocean environment, we will learn about the otter, the sea urchin, and the kelp. This is a river environment. Take a moment to look at the living and the non-living things in the river environment. You may have noticed the eagle, salmon, and eelgrass. This is an eagle. Eagle, eagle, what do you need? Eagle, eagle, how do you get it? I need water. I fly to the water's edge and drink cool water. I need food. I grab a salmon with my talons and eat it. Talons are their sharp nails and feet. I need air. I use my nostrils to breathe. I need rest and shelter or a place to live. I find somewhere high to perch. This is salmon. Salmon, salmon, what do you need? Salmon, salmon, how do you get it? I need water. I open my mouth as I swim. I gulp water to drink. When I am young, I need plants for food. I nibble on plants underwater. I need air. I breathe air from the water using my gills. When I am young, I need rest and shelter. I hide in the eelgrass so the eagle won't see me. This is eelgrass. Eelgrass, eelgrass, what do you need? Eelgrass, eelgrass, how do you get it? I need water. I absorb the water all around me. I need energy from the sun to make food. I grow where the sunlight can reach me. I need air. I absorb air into my leaves from the water around me. I need resources to live. I use my roots to grab onto the bottom of the river to anchor or to stay in place. This is a desert environment. Take a moment to look at the plants and the animals in the desert environment. We saw a coyote, cactus, and there's my favorite animal, the squirrel. This is a coyote. Coyote, coyote, what do you need? Coyote, coyote, how do you get it? I need water. I dig holes in dry riverbeds to find hidden water. I need food. I sniff around and catch ground squirrels. I need air. I breathe the dry desert air through my nostrils. I need rest and shelter. I find shelter in a hole, a cave, or under a bush. This is a ground squirrel. Ground squirrel, what do you need? Ground squirrel, how do you get it? I need water. I get water from eating the juicy cactus fruit. I need food. I also get food from eating the juicy cactus fruit. I need air. I breathe the dry desert air. I need rest and shelter. I dig a burrow home under the desert ground. This is a cactus. Cactus, cactus, what do you need? Cactus, cactus, how do you get it? I need water. I grow long, shallow roots and store water in my stems because there is little rain in the desert. I need energy from the sun to make food. I make food from absorbing the sun's energy. I need air. I take in air through tiny holes in my stems. I need resources to live. My roots help me gather the water and help anchor me in the ground. This is a sea environment. Take a moment to look at the sea environment. See if you see some of the plants, the animals, the living and non-living things. Here are 3 of them: kelp, otter, and sea urchin. This is an otter. Otter, otter, what do you need? Otter, otter, how do you get it? I need water. I get water from the food I eat. Seawater is too salty. I need food. I dive down to the bottom to catch sea urchins. I bring them up to the surface to eat. I need air. I breathe through my nostrils when I come to the surface. I need rest and shelter. I wrap myself in kelp to keep me safe while I rest. This is a sea urchin. Sea urchin, what do you need? Sea urchin, how do you get it? I need water. I suck water through my mouth and filter out salt. I need food. I eat kelp when I crawl around on the seafloor. I need air. I absorb air through my tube feet. There's the tube feet that get it water and air. Here's its mouth in the bottom you saw over here when he was eating the kelp. That goes through his food canal. On the outside of him, it's called an exoskeleton. Exo means outside, so it's like having your skeleton on the outside, and it's a protective, hard covering. I need rest and shelter. I crawl in between rocks to protect me from otters. This is kelp. Kelp, kelp, what do you need? Kelp, kelp, how do you get it? I need water. I get water by absorbing it through my blades. I need energy from the sun to make food. The air pockets in my leaves help me to float closer to the sunlight. I need air. I absorb tiny air bubbles from the seawater. I need resources to live. I get them by anchoring myself into the seafloor with a holdfast so I don't float away. You may have noticed that all 3 of our plants we learned about use their roots to anchor them. Interesting. That's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed reading it. Eagle, eagle, what do you need? You can reread or re-listen to this story anytime you'd like.